So if you go back here to installation, okay, you don't need even to master how to open installation, whatever. At the end, we just need the syntax there. This is the syntax we want. npx create next app. So if you see here, we are in Next.js. It's not React. Next.js is the latest framework of React, so we don't want this one. What we can do, the syntax for React is going to be npx create React app. Here it's going to be React app. So let's copy this one, open the Visual Code Studio, okay, and then the first thing you can do is create a folder wherever you want. Just choose the perfect place you want to create a folder, okay. And let's go and create this folder here. There we call it learning, or let's say introduction into React, okay. Are you with me?
I can hear you.
Okay, so open this folder. You need to open this folder inside your Visual Code Studio, meaning you can have your Visual Code Studio open here like this, put it aside, drag this one up to the middle here. You see, when you see the word plus and copy, remove your hand. You will see that folder will open inside your VS Code. Are you with me? So now you can see you have this folder here open, and also the good thing you can see here introduction to app, okay. React app is a folder that I've created outside, okay. Then you need to open your terminal. Your terminal enable you to run the command, okay. So the terminal is go to up here triple dot. If your PC is big, it will just show you direct terminal, okay. Are you with me? You go to terminal here, or if that is the case you don't get it, just press on your window Control J. It will open for you. Control J, it will go up, okay. Control +J. And if you want to close this part here, click on this icon, that will close. It will open for your project folders. Or Control B, it will open. Control C, it will Control B, it will open. Control B, it will close, okay. Then here you come and put the command npx create React app at latest, so that you can create for you the new React command, okay. Let me first copy this and share with you. Let me share with you this one through your WhatsApp. Have you got it? Okay, so you got that on your npx create React app at latest. Now press enter. Yes, like this you will wait. It will take time to introduce this one, okay. So now you can see this asking you, okay, to proceed you need to type Y. That means yes, you type Y, press enter. Now you can see it's installing the necessary folder. Have you seen? Because a React app application is not application like HTML, where you just create new file called HTML and something like this. It doesn't work like that,
okay.
You can see here we got error here. They say this version of Start is no longer supported. It will receive security update. Please upgrade ASAP. Create a React app project directory. So let's see here what happened. Nothing is being created. So they propose that we can use this one here. This one. Okay. Meaning we have one mistake. We're supposed to npx create, okay, React app. Then we need to specify the name. If you can see here, they say my React project. We need to put the name. So the name here, I don't want to give a name because I have a project folder already outside. So for that case, I will type here dot only because I have project.
Okay.
If I don't have a folder, then from there I can put okay,
the name. Okay.
Yeah, so I press here enter. So dot here means install them only inside my
Your folder.
folder I put. So here you get something here. Art is not this. Okay. Precision react. Okay. Art is not mentioned. Art latest dot. Oh, latest is not written like this. Isn't it? That's error already. Latest is having T like this. Press enter. It's still giving us error. Okay, CLS to clear the screen. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go here npx create. I think they have updated the package. From the documentation. Installation. Close this up. Installation done. Start a new project. Start area project. Show more detail of new project. I think here they have taken React out from the context. Okay. They are giving us Next.js. Okay, they want us to learn Next.js. Let's go and create React. Just a moment. So this is the syntax: npx create React. The same thing we have my app. Same syntax. The same syntax. I don't know what's wrong with the network. You can see here it's installing package JSON. You see?
So now the same code, right? npm create react app. Huh?
It's space dot here. It's working for you?
Gotta. Let me put it.
Let me get for you this one again. Yeah. Copy. Let me go to WhatsApp. It's like this. Dot. Copy this one and paste. Okay. Sunday.
Aye.
Yeah,
I can see that. It's running. I show all that one. It's installing what?
It's installing, right?
The JSON package.
Okay. So you can just wait. It's going to install JSON package with a lot of folders. Okay. This one actually it takes less than 2 minutes, but it depends on the networks where you are connected. Okay.
Another trade cycle of Jar Bara.
Shabaka, sir. Sometimes mashabaka in before your packages get here.
As my good attended piece, my Angular.
Yeah, I learn Angular also.
I think after React we should go to Angular maybe if you have time, but not.
Even now, if he help Saudi, there is some Python bardo.
For Saudi
Arabia, I learn like Python, man. زي الارب زي
شنو واسمه ويب ديفلوبمنت كان؟
no that Python ta high school like they request the small yeah, the Python they don't want the one that carry Django and other big stuff. So because Python is used in three departments, there is for machine learning and then data visualization and then artificial intelligence. So I'm teaching them general Python, but that cover high school. You know what we did even here in university, we learn those C language just to write some fake exercise like calculate the area
classes,
of triangle. Yeah, calculate the area of triangle, add a number. That's algorithm, those nonsense things like a number going to count which one is an even number, an odd number, find the area of circle, proving all these mathematical formulas with the Python. This is what I'm teaching them. Teaching them the Pythons, the function, the variables, the count function, the prints. I get killed.
This is
Because name the yalle tawani battle for riyadiyat yalla jadde indi like the formulas so I'm just giving them what they want because I can just more Python for data visualization lahin ya umato gat kede kun limited mai kun kebir kap because shabal tarinde ga muallim bidu guriya yugul da HTML biga man yalle kabine man
no chocolate technology kada ya ko so kan ja amano chapa niggas كيف يا man this thing like when I started man
PHP de
no listen what I want to
Chocolate shakali man PHP this do you know how to use
XAMPP
you just need to create a table, just see the projects there like when signing up, logging in, Amul adding, update, delete, you just see the names of the tables and the columns which exist, create them inside XAMPP. You can run it from your PC to work just perfect.
No, I'll do it. So again, niggas when I started, those niggas are already finished with Python and Sabi. Niggas didn't talk about Django, you know.
Amul Django. Django
but for me,
is a framework for development.
But me, I'll concentrate on it, man, in summer, man, not now, man. That thing is a little bit complicated.
No, difficult. Just there, can organize yourself. 2 hours. This just is the maximum of learning everything. 2 hours. Tajeni to learn book. 2 hours learning. Just 1 week, you will see you make a very big progress.
Yeah.
And the bad thing with this web development, but mara yaman errors you got lecture mara wa yaman did the whole 2 hours. That time will go solution go.
Yeah, مشكلة.
Era zol kala num yaman zol der gumbri yang def era gwaja batala. Era sometimes there na jeri to al ya mudu dia kila bes. Ai solution go adi yaman. Lo kanta mu 2 hours yaman tamal go era is normal. Just close it, release your stress, go somewhere, come back for go somewhere.
Adu terjata mu for.
Kita tak punya new strategy difata tu ni kata lagi sekolah kan ada disease end saya man so like teacher saya kasdani lah ini dia so teri kabu disease like they make sure they give you a lot of exercise
hatta ya wa gan da do ni ga dar su jama la kan umma kan bodo min bedre aman so
mucha tostacinda umuzal mam projects up kubar. That's the problem here. Like they don't know that the technology has changed. Ela mu ada kuna bajet al gudam. Syntax abu react abu gedi mu der sanna kam of school. When I come and explain to my teacher, I say, oh, let's just use the latest technology. You say, man, I can't deal like the version of this ChatGPT. Man, like tani jadi. And you know, stars I'm a part of the project. He was so happy, and he was telling me even all his life. You even start revealing the truth, like all his life he has never built this one. A very complex application. Yeah, teacher, if you got this build, why you guys stressing us?
Nigga lah sabi stress itu beres
school ya man school ga ma solution le haya ga nigga ga bitap tabu ya gala na deal.
Kenapa?
After Shaka the ChatGPT man. شغال صح؟
شغالة
ولا بشغل شات جي بي تي لكن إذا إيرا سوقه بسيط بزر كيف فيكس ديزاين هذا ما انجن شغال أساسا شغل شغال في إنديا مش في إنديا بيقولوا شات جي بي تي ما شغال شغل أنا شاب صوبانا كده نيجا مرتاح ما شغال cheating نمن ده هنا
مش اسمه نكتب تاني راجع على داير مثلا
activity yang there will give like solution even to make it good. Okay, assuming like you want to ask here, you have something in React that you have in your mind, you want to ask, assuming like how to see my screen, how to create a React component just like this, make question mark and then click here on this one, you wait, it will write for you a component, a function, everything. You see, it's coming now. And it's going to give you the sample. Import React from React, my component, return div with a message, and then it will close. See? And then for you just click here, copy. You see this one? Copy and then you can paste it and it works. Simple. You don't need to stress yourself. You see? So you can see my screen here, it's already installed, right? So to clear the screen, CLS, or you can type clear, just dot clear, it can clear for you the terminal, okay? Then you have npm start, okay? To start the project is npm start. These are the things teachers will disturb you guys in the beginning with it. How do you create React? How do you start the project? It's very important. Many people don't know how to start. And also the problem, many people don't know how to navigate from this one. Using CD, you change directory. CD to this folder, to this folder, to this folder, this folder. Okay? Let me send you the command here. Is npm.
خلي أنا شايف
okay. So like this you can see it will start the server. That's the bad thing with the React only version. It will start, it will take time to run. And then while it's starting there, let's come try to see the folders that came together with a React application, okay? You see it came with the 3 different folders. Have you seen? The first one is called nodule package. So this one is the one installing all the packages that you are going to install. Or this one come with the pre-build function which are already installed, not module. It's very important. If this one get problem, the whole application will crash. Then public here enable us to put the pictures, the video, the images. We can put them here and then we can use them across our entire application, okay? Public is that you can put files here. You can see even the logo sample being put there. You see?
Okay.
So it's just as the use of it. Then source here, this is where we can structure our application. You can see our application came with everything here. They are inside source. That means inside source we can create another folder called components. Like this. This component here is a folder enable us to have the part of our application. I will tell you in detail. A component is simple one. Assuming you have this application of mine here, that's ChatGPT version 2. Where is it? Here. It's running already. You see, I have this application here of mine. This application is divided into so many components. I have this component on top here. This all here, this is the component, the one for heading part, and then the down part here I have the header and the footer here. This is a component. If you click on contact me, there is a form. This form is also a component. Component means what? A part of application. When we assemble them all together, it makes our application fully mobile functioning or fully single page application, okay? So here we can have the component. Components are the part of the application. We can pull them and use it somewhere, or they're reusable. I can use it wherever I want to use, okay? So we have component. Then we have pages here. Folder called pages. These pages enable us to have the part that is not reusable, okay? Example, like a contact page. I can have one contact page on top and that's all. So let's first see this one here. You can see this one, right?
Aye.
I think you have the same result with me. So after you make npm start, you get this one. This is our application here, it's running. Okay. So this application here is not what we want to start from, but the good thing they propose for us, this is the way how the React component work. Come with the app.css. You see, the CSS is the one making the rule here on the screen and everything. And then the most important file here is
so Ali, I have to create two folders. One components or pages, huh?
Pages, yeah. We need
inside source.
They must be inside source, exactly.
Okay.
Because you put them outside, it will crash. It will not work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we have our app here, which is the most important file. Why? Because everything is going to be connected to app, and then in the app they are going to pass into index.css. Here is app is connected. You see this index here .js. This is where the app is connected. That means our application becomes a single page application. Okay. Everything is connected here. At the end we send with all these component pages, they are all connected into app. Okay. That means we have to use a routing system that enables us to move from point A to point B, from A to B, B to C. Okay. So this one I will come and get you there. Next thing is what we need to clear. There are sometimes some things here we don't want them. Okay. That means we need to start clearing from the app here. From the app, I don't want this thing running on the screen. I have to just clear them out and type this function here, RFCE. It's called React Aero Functional Component with Export. Okay. Are you with me?
Yeah. RFC.
First of all, go here. I think you don't have it in your extension. Come here. This extension here. Have you seen the extension?
Yeah, the extension. What's the name of that extension?
See my cursor. Where is my cursor?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, click there. Then type here React. We first of all type ES7. Okay.
ES7. Okay.
Then expand it. Not all ES7 is correct here. You need React Native. This one, the first one here.
Okay.
This syntax will enable you to write that syntax I'm using just to generate the full. This one, click install. Okay. So after you click install, now you come and wipe everything out. Type here RAFCE like this.
Everything in app.js, huh? Everything in app.js.
Yeah, everything app.js. Master bar, make Control A and then delete.
Okay.
Then
I put what?
Type RAFC, yes.
RFC.
It stands for React Aero Function Component with the Export. Okay.
Well, RFCE, yeah?
Yeah. Let me give it for you here. Complete.
Yeah. Okay.
Kira Binial mako mina fi ajere fi mako mina fi Tetuan Diamond Marseille.
Oh, just a little while.
Guys, j'ai besoin d'un ordinateur. That's the shunu ajere.
There is Siri?
Salam apa yang mesti nak suruh? No. Rien de neuf. J'ai besoin d'un ordi. Ok. There is quelle marque d'abord? Ya, aku budget tu saja. Boleh angkat. Delete tu. Okay. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are finishing clearing the app. Then let's go and clear some other stuff. Things like test here, I don't want test. Delete this test out. Okay. Logo also. Delete the logo bar.
Okay.
Test and logo.
App the test.js.
No. Test. Yeah, test. Delete bar. Delete logo bar. delete this file here also. Report web vital delete, and then setup test delete. Okay.
Set up report web visit. Utani shunu?
Okay, see my folder, see my screen.
Okay.
What is doesn't exist there, then we remove them. Just compare to what you have. Set up vital logo test, delete them out.
Okay. This is.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. Then you go to index.js here. You see here we have this vital here. Remove it out. Then import here. Remove it out like this. You have successfully.
Wait. Index.js. Index.js. I remove what? You said in index.js I remove what?
I remove the last code, the last line of the code.
Okay.
This one.
This what?
You see this one?
Report web vital.
Yeah, remove it all the comments. Then import of it, remove it.
Okay.
Okay.
This is.
Remove it like this. Now you can see I have only up here, so that means I can manage now to write anything here like hello.
Wait.
Huh?
في مشكلة هنا.
The index?
So I remove everything in index, right?
Not everything. See my code. Are you seeing?
Okay.
Remove the last line.
The comment and the last word. The last report. Okay.
Import of it out also.
Import Hago Fog, right? Okay.
Then you go to your app, type something here inside div. Yes, hello world.
In the app.js, I write inside the div. I write hello world.
Yeah.
Right?
Are you getting the same result with me?
Yeah. I.
Ja hari okay. When do guru to her kira, I'm able now to chat direct to her.
اسمع انت لسه شغال على نفس البي سي هذا ده؟
PC secure ده صح؟ PC ده is the best يا مان. شغل ليش شغال؟
شغل قاعد يسيز هذول.
خفيف شديد يلا ما أقدر لك جرحاوة.
أصل بدو داري يشتري بي سي يا مان بي سي ما وعنده تجدير ديسيز وشو؟
ويا أنا ده propose له إذا مو قال لنا propose له. قال they are going to do informatique. No, je vais m'orienter en informatique. She wanted to do informatique, but she's doing law.
هو ده رامل انفورماتيك شنو نظام فورماسيون
والله ده مش latitude kan I don't know the latitude of my PC. Latitude 52.89.
ولا عنده تجدير بلقى يا مان 5000 ولا 4000 كده بلقى له بي سي.
Did they?
Yeah.
Name to grass or low, you look at it.
Mano, muy bitta togo na?
I am in Togo. شغال ليكسا
هاي شغالة.
Septième génération. Génération. Aku tukar program koder kira Nabi lo PC ama. Ay.
No?
Aku kemarin kapkan baru kali jadi kena Nabi lo PC. Okay, so we have you have your index here. You see, in our index here, you can see only app is connected here. That means remember all application is running under HTML at the end, because HTML is the language of the browser, right? Even application coding in Next, this one Cobalt, React Native, Apple Swift, all it run under HTML at the end, because we need address language, that is HTML. So if you see here, have HTML, go to public. Public, you can see there is HTML there. If you see inside this HTML here, there is nothing much. First of all, remove all the comment out. Just to understand it in a very easiest way. Have you seen? It's nothing big. And then we have the title of our application here, React app. Now I can call it here Learning React, or just the name you want to give, Learning React. I just save this one. You can see Learning React. Have you seen? And remember, have something here, ID. The ID say root. This ID root, okay, you know JavaScript syntax, ID is equal to root. That means there is a component somewhere is having the title of root, then we have connected it here to this ID, okay. So where could that one be? All application is going to run under body. You see HTML having the head section, and then we have the body and the close of the HTML. So if you see our application is just brought back here. So where is that application? If you see here, you can see here const root. Have you seen here root? It's equal to react dom.create document get element by ID. This is what JavaScript syntax. Get element by ID called root. So now here, if you see in the HTML, our ID here is equal to root, meaning what? All the application we have that React, all in general, the component, the image, at the end we just bring them and render it under the HTML here. You see, they are connected inside this div with the ID called root, and this root is also addressed here already. You see. So that's the first thing you can see here. Have you seen a React application or Angular? They are called single page application because all the components are connected in one root, that is app, and at the end app is connected into index, which is the main file or the entry file. That entry file is already connected into a HTML. Okay. So that's how this one works. This will bring us to first introduction about React, starting page of React and everything. Okay. So now we reach inside this folder here called source. We introduce two pages. One is called components and then pages. Okay, let's say in the page I want to have specific file like home page. Okay, home.js. Okay. You can use .js, there's no problem. You can use .jsx, there is no problem. Okay. .js or JSX, no problem. So just use the one you use. So you just type RAFCE to generate this component for you. Okay.
Okay.
So now I have this component. How will I make sure that a connected is so that it can be available in our application, because in the component there are independent or pages, they're just independent page files there or pages. So we want to connect them so that it can work. So what can I do? I have to create it here, then I have to connect it somewhere. That means in our app is the entry point, we have to go and put them all there. So I have to go and import it here. Okay, so how do we import that one? There is two ways. The easiest way, open this file on, get it on somewhere, come here into app, inside app, type this word here, home, then the same name that you give what you have given when you are creating. Okay, home, like this. After you close it, a JSX file come with this type of single close. Okay, self close. Then you do like this, it will auto import for you. Okay,
Can I? You do what?
okay, the first thing you can do is you write it this format. Okay, it's called self close, because in some HTML when you do like this, it will come like this with two, then you're expecting something in the middle. Okay, but in React that is not the case. In React we don't use it like this. In React we instead make it single close. That means we don't want anything here, it's already found inside. So just come at the end of this one here, at the end of the word, the end of the word is home. Okay, are you with me?
Yeah.
Just type control space, it will propose for you. If it doesn't propose, okay, come at the end here, delete the word, the last letter is called home, delete E, and then retype it back. You can see it will propose for you here. This file is inside pages. Then when you click like this, it will auto import for you. Have you seen?
Okay. So I do that in what, in app.js?
Yeah, app.js. This is where we connect all our application component there.
So I return the okay.
Have you seen?
Yeah.
So now here we can have so many things. We can now have H1. You say React app, just like this. You can see everything is coming on the screen. Have you seen?
Okay.
So home is connected. So now if you can see here in the home, everything is there. So we have CSS that can be used also here. Okay, hello.
Aye.
We can have CSS, we can have inline style. Inline style means I don't want to go up to CSS something.css, I just want to style it within my component. Okay, so what I can do, you add the word style. Okay, in React it's called style. Then it has two double open curly brace. Okay,
Okay.
like this. If I want to make the color, I just type here color, like this. If it is a string, I just type here red. If it is a number, I will not put a double quote. Okay, you see, this is the inline style work like this in React. Have you seen?
Yeah.
I want to make it bold again, I'll just make comma here. You can just say font weight should be bold, like this. You can see it's now bold. Remember the syntax, how it's written. Okay, but this is not good. You cannot have so many lines here, it doesn't look well. So people don't use this type of styling, inline style. So people use CSS styling, meaning you will give a name, okay, to this H1. Are you with me?
Wait.
Hello.
Yeah. Anamaga.
You can give a name. That name you can give it by adding class name. So in CSS it is class, but in React it's class name. Have you seen? Then I can name it maybe header, just like this. Then I have to go to my CSS and styling. I have to go to app CSS. I don't want this one. I need to delete it out also. Delete app CSS. Only index CSS is the one you can leave.
Okay.
And make
Namsa app CSS namsa.
You don't need so many CSS. Just one is enough for us.
Okay.
Are you there?
Hi.
Then I will go to my index here. So in my index I have that old one. I have to remove it out, so I can start new here. Have you seen? So first of all, what thing I can ask, I'll type body. Okay, inside body padding should be 0. Inside body have padding. Padding, yes, should be 0, and then margin should be 0. 0 like this. By putting this, adding comma here, sorry, it's not comma, it's semicolon. Okay, in HTML we use in this one CSS we use semicolon, and you can see this H1 here is having a space on top. Normally it has to touch that place, so meaning the H1 by default is having a padding top of 10 pixels. Okay, so I have my class here. If you remember, I have my class in the home called header. You see?
Okay.
So I will take this class here and bring it here, header. Then I can pass curly brace. Now I can add the style I want. I can first of all remove the padding out. Padding should be 0. By putting this, you can see my application is loading and everything seems to be okay. And then let's see, is it true it's connected or not? Let's say our margin also should be 0. You see that space has removed. Have you seen? If I want to make it red, I'll just type here color, then I can put red. Simple. Save. Everything is expected to be red. Have you seen? Sunday.
Yeah. Ana sama ana shafa.
Okay. Then you can add more and more and more. Okay. Have you seen? So we know how we can put this one. This is not our problem. We know how to use this on CSS and styling, small styling. Okay. So our problem will come now. The component. I have my pages. Next, the component. I want to have some reusable component, meaning I can use it wherever I want to use them. Okay. So let's go here and create. I want to have a footer. I can use footer in so many places, in contact page, in home page, in about page, in so many. I can create my JSX here for footer, RAXE, like this. Then I can create a navbar. Yazoo, kalas? You guys play on computer? You guys are very strong. Have it.
You guys live kura for matter watching.
No, PY sabi kira live kura for motor.
Yeah, no one.
Why this Mujuma? Okay, so I have navbar like this. JSX RAXE. When I click here, my navbar is created. Now I want to use this navbar, okay, on top of my home page. Okay. So I have to come back here inside my home page like this. So I want to bring maybe navbar should be on top, and then a footer should be down here. Okay. So the way to bring this one, I know very well. I am inside these pages. This is where I am currently. Okay, the home page is here. Then I have to get out from this folder to go and fetch my footer and navbar. This one require a navigation. So how do I go? I have to say import. First of all, I need footer. But from where? That's the question come here now. From where do I want to go? Also, I have to get out from these pages. To get out from the pages, you have to put double dot. Okay? Are you with me?
Yeah.
I have to put double dot after double dot / then name of the folder where I'm going to pages to component. So I have to write component here. Inside component, what do I need? I need the footer. So I have to select footer here. The same situation I can do with the what? With the navbar. I have to say import navbar from dot / components / I need navbar. I will select navbar from here. So now how do I use them? On top here I can just put my footer here. Simple. And then down here I have to put my down should be footer, sorry. Down should be footer. On top should be navbar. Okay? Navbar like this. So if I save like this, you can see I have my footer, I have my navbar. Have you seen it? So now I can go and develop them the way I want. Assuming in navbar, I will go like this. Okay, I want to go to navbar. Inside navbar, I want to do something here. First of all, I want to create another div. Okay? Are you with me? This div, I can name it logo. If you take our logo, then inside here, I can name it logo. Then I need to create another div. So to create another div, I'll just copy this one. Okay? I can make this one some UL. UL stands for unordered list. Okay? Then inside that UL, I can pass the li, which is the list. Now I want to have the home like this, and I have to copy this one several times like this. It will have home, it will have about, it will have project, it will have contact. Simple, just like this. Okay? Are you with me?
Aye.
Okay, so I have this one. So I have UL and okay. I think maybe I have just to click delete. First of all, delete this and then delete it. I just want to have. I don't want complexity. I want to make things easier. Okay. Are you there?
Aye.
Okay. So now I have this one, UL, and then I have my logo. They are all children. Okay. They become children of this div here. Okay. So this div, I have to give it a class name. The class name is going to be header. The first name is header. This is called navbar. We are using naming convention. Okay. Navbar. Then here is going to be navbar logo. Navbar underscore logo. Then here is going to be cn. I will give another class name. Navbar underscore that will be items or navigation. Okay, are you with me?
Aye.
Then here I can use this one to tackle all these elements. Okay, so how do we go and deal with the CSS now? So I have to go to my index.css. Let me see index.css. If I go to index.css, here I will start. Okay, dot navbar. I hope you're getting me.
Aye, I'm getting you.
Okay, very good. Now, but first of all, I want to give a background color. BGC is a shortcut for background color. Okay, background color like this. Background color should be blue. If I do blue like this, you see the background is blue, and I want everything to be white. So I can say color like this should be white. Okay, if I do like this, you can see everything turn into white. So I can use the flex box property. I can use display flex, display dash flex. Okay, I agree. You can see display flex, everything seems to be okay, but this one is still having problem. We can fix it. Display flex, align items to center. That means I want them to be together. Logo and that one to be same height, same everything. Okay. Then inside here I want to give a padding of 20 px everywhere. Okay. Then I have to go and check inside my nav bar. What do I have? I have navigation. I don't want to tackle logo. I have navigation. So inside my navigation, I will just bring it here. Okay. I can first of all flex those small items. Display, flex item center. This one will enable me to flex the small component. Have you seen? Then they have the li, so I don't want to give class to li. I will just tackle them by using greater than, and then pass li, and then here I can give a margin of left and right only. I will give margin of 8 pixels. That is top and bottom everywhere. But if I want that one, I will just top and bottom should be 0. Oh,